Bacakun. CHUUK High School, are you ready? KINISOU, Sarwarong, Magugu, Ikakurag, whoever Pusiamonode. By Yakoiko students, followed by Southern Torawas. Then Tapoto CHUUK High School, Tapoto Saram, Xavier, Feven, and Peria. Sibacak Pandi Rikuya Bikaratento in front of your tent, all the way to this tent over here. Then we open with prayer, and Governor will give his speech. After the speech, we will see Abobute. All right, Akoikoi, lead the way. Call in your school colors. The Teripicek Norevikara team. We have CHUUK here, Akoiko here, Southern Torawas there. Saram, all the way down there next to Torawas. Here, Xavier, next to CHUUK here. Xavier. Southern Kevin. Namlukurupet CHUUK, Peria, Namlukurupet.
Novo!
Southern Kevin.
Here are total 2 picks. Number 1 functions. Girai siapa macam sinop nak sinop itu juga. Siap tuburin dan medicine. Cawan, pemurid itu masih disebut pakai parents. Lewis meeting terakhir medicine. Ini siapa itu Indian city federal school. Dengan kesulitan, kemudian dia menjadi si kedua, penting di pendidikan bukan pada yang sekolah Indian city. Sebesar kedua kusi, murid dalam negara ada beberapa apa kita beri itu bicara. Pada sinarisi itu satu bulan bicara polisi di sini. Ini hari yang itu yang dibuat. Ini adalah tahun yang kita bicara. Iaatsioitet man tuottaisivat sekä tietysti tarvitut näyttöön kasvun mirsi paremmin explicitly or explicitly Iaatsioitet saavat medical diseases those are explicitly
Just sporting event in the FSM, annual sporting event. Saya KINISOU education by SCR kilometers in memory of the late Kitani Graham. Puang somos po dari ucapkan egis nofidifit chukis English po faritara Josephir mi pandang kersap karwewe. Kay was many things, but I think he's most known for being an athlete. Yere kurun arba barta, amar papa iti sport. I think in the beginning he did it just for fun, because the lessons you learn in sports are the same lessons that will help you succeed in anything else. Things like hard work, dedication, discipline, and also this mosarasan nikitu ikarakaramet taught sports mi tongri idea mermeva kids the subject arts po ni pa ke jika tu fizika namba nor sports gomurira ke kawes
Fitri Raisom pakirisogari ewa wisarwe kapasar favori real murmurin kiri-kiri shalomna track and field at high school in Navy Bukdashiri met Milcha Rasnano we will pack up the rope or for what you were the reward no mayor I think it's we will fast to Stephen Torio deputy mayor with GHR Winsi non achi were municipal government but the rogeri no so puri for Torico Sakabata Savon Wari we ko kisi sao wari faruara pogiten si ayu dati wari faruara si puti rowan me kisi arabsel wara pogiten fason mi parche achi opan we ach kapong ach tiro ngeri yo birafan legislature rakara soin panaro rerache 17 CHUUK state legislature achen tiro wonder cup officers, 55 members, were also of Senate, House of Representative. But the Rogeri Ajoe, CHUUK State Supreme Court, Fred Masoan, Kevin, Geri, MFN, Chief Justice, Jason Robert, Bechiakoe, Associate Justice Spacey. The Rogeri, Ekirawi Sarabukutu, Federire, Intergalactic Sports, Red Fitri Raisom, Minaya was a coordinator, Fitifel Machiaco. But the Rogeri, Medicinavi, Ivy, Watereti Baby Norio Chiafaso, Avio Puchia Jiggy, Norari, track and field. If you got what the Rowa, remember Avi, participants at KI School Medicine, Avi Nom, Nefilats, Nori Red Garay. Kaya we put the rope, waterway office, track and field ferritan, rail, catering, Graham, that's in the row catering, it all give us all of reds, your spirit lives on. Medoe, Puirawe, Apasaki KINISOU education, are Eita, Kirigit, Ika, Itere, annual track and field at high school near the Keynote track and field. Mayor Popul Mawewen, Ariteri, Iter Keynote Kiri Sanomari, a track and field at high school. Keynote, he was a great man, he was a great young man. He grew up on the village of Penya, and he did a lot of great things since his childhood. Yes, he was considering the sports of track and field, basketball, as just a regular sports, but eventually he took it as a passion, and he lives on with that passion. That's a legacy that should be installed in each and one of you. Kay Daniel already left us long time ago, but his legacy lives on, and that legacy will not live on if you don't put it within you and continue that legacy for Kay Daniel. And it's not only because of sports, but it reflects on quality education. Here in CHUUK, we need your help in a lot of fields that requires our local high school, our local colleges to help us help CHUUK and its people be a successful story in all that we can do. A lot of times, or even today, we are in need of a lot of teachers, nurses, and through sports, you can accommodate and accomplish that goal. Through Keitani's legacy, I hope and pray that each one of you will carry on that legacy, because it's a successful story. I'm sorry to say that he passed on too quickly, but if you could have lived until today, I think things should be different. He lives a successful story, and I urge every one of you to live that life. The life of sports, the life of education, the life of good individuality in your own self. Commit yourself to that goal and go out. And what the Savior always say about something like fire? There you go. Set the world on fire. Keitani once set the world on fire. And this is the outcome of his hard work. You may not realize it, but what you are going through, this is the life that Keitani went through. And it was a success story. So if you leave that legacy, I'm sure that your life, your lifestyle will live on just like what Keitani did. You are our future of CHUUK. And so I urge each one of you to go out and compete hard with good spirit, good sportsmanship. But remember that while you're competing with good sportsmanship, education is on top of all. Education is the foundation of our economic development here in CHUUK. And so I urge each one of you to go out and really set the world on fire by educating yourself and come back to CHUUK to help us out. Bring the government from where it is to a standard where everybody will look at it and change the negative connotation of OIC to a positive connotation. You dig me? But I no possible to get meretip. Sky is the limit. Gabet. Vera bata tiu ajojore compete. Ajojore live that life of sportsmanship. You go pare healthy lifestyle. Igerai and non-communicable disease. Ikaw NCT. Mi near the Arabas. Not for what's FSM. Ira pare leading cause of death, not FSM. We keep poki trammercha, a case of kiri over Kudiris. Federats Mojen, not separate, not Sarafa. Arabo carry on, era lifestyle, red to Burun, easy. As a subject for sports, as a subject for education, get water non known to Burun, easy. You know what? Aaron of Revi. Ika po pwede si refidu AOIC, but you come out the best among the best. Ika kami trusting, every future, every saraban CHUUK, eki ra. no pero prefer I go to good. We don't know. You present yourself. Yeri arabas. You reflect. 1 year year out to be. 11 annual KG-ISC Track and Field celebration. We celebrate his life. So go out, play hard with good sportsmanship, activity, for body track and field. Ambassadorial of goodwill. For that, you push the fucking give. Have your boy. See the fucking give us brothers and sisters. We also not know for what you do. And chipwe. We fucking give. Meredibats. Felt nesor. Me pick it up. Ngami tori poros, you know, por efect chipaga. Ibera puta puro kati begi. Ngabi chakor. A coach reminder which is the orregavi. O por reifa. Nesor. Mi mark pe earth day. Ibera puta non earth day shikare di begi. Ibera puta por ero ape kusa. And take care of you. Take care of all of us. Ibera puta si pot take care of this earth. Pue puta ori maintain a natural beauty. Sewa jay quote me fangerikit. Oruan, you have no littering. Amen. Nigang I for what's key. As a jack more for the cabbage. Is a panivation to be a factory. Mori. You can sawara and netika ikis. Metek purer at a guru soda. She would do for what? She would do illicits. You run a giri. Es por pu, es por arroz, es por suba. Y me parece que I'm a vaping. I'm in the process of doing a proposed law to make vaping illegal, not true. When vaping, we think we're cool when we're like sitting at. We think it's cool, huh? But your lungs is crying. There has been track record that vaping kills your lungs, and once your lungs are hurting, your body will be hurting. So please, stay away from vaping. And like I said, it's in the process of a proposed law that I will send it to legislature for their action. Iwe teachers, parents, and leaders. Ye fan sorat si para fagen. Si sabutsak ngeri teachers, si sabutsak ngeri parents, si sabutsak blame it on the leaders. Ngeri collaboration of togri, merchant, commitment at si para fagen. Very David, very tats, very the forward stroke state. Kevin, if I believe you give with this. Study hard, play hard, clean hard, do all the best that you can do. My best to you, KINISOU CHAPUR ready faso. 1, 2, 3, ABC!
KINISOU CHAPUR tawacin bigat kawe SFS Seri sama ciwan report governor. Vietnet metek tuawau rapota sipu fakune churi pur nanawot chich feyat chich nesor pe kiron. Bear with me, tadi sikit sa podcast ki fast appreciation gerir yo sato geri ro geri ach kara. Aaj netir KINISOU geri ekir mi kaborwete eri ach tugor parabaswai fanson yebo pura officiate par porwete. KINISOU geri governor maro office KINISOU CHAPUR geri Department of Education, School Support, ATW Health Services, for KINISOU geri BH&W, NCT, Department of Public Safety, WENO Municipal, Recreation, Track Association, Public Affairs, AWM, MNR Bakery Store, Sigedo Store, Island Mart, 2Ks, Chase Square, Deal Fair Incorporation, Individual Brand Henry, Akoi kya Favirian Late Keitani, ISC, Chemfi, Che Chan Spring, article participating schools medicine. EPC! KINISOU CHAPUR yawan neto be isa CHUUK korik feri tento sipo pare pisi kiarin di seri governor ike sabo kut geri dari achkana akara coaches ike staff waito enmet keki guru bare ye sipo solturati ke po ekkafitu gorach kara suku KINISOU sato geri rogeri dari achkara recruit geri
Reset! Reset!
Recue official score. Water recue accused Novo score sheet pas lo para na unsiri.